so I want to talk about some kitchen must-haves. Did you know the average household uses 1.5 to 2 rolls of paper towels a week? What, crazy, right? But you know, when I paid attention, that's what we had been using. So expensive. Not anymore. I use my Norwex kitchen cloth and my Norwex kitchen towel. These both have the back lock micro silver in them, so they self-clean. I get a lot the question, what's the difference between your EnviroCloth and your kitchen cloth? Your EnviroCloth is very dense and it's designed to do your heavy jobs, your more aggressive jobs. Your kitchen cloth isn't going to get out a carpet stain like your EnviroCloth will. Your EnviroCloth is just your everywhere cloth. The kitchen cloth is specifically designed to pick up larger debris on a surface. You can see that it has a different weave, and so because of that weave, it's able to pick up food debris and things on a surface, and then you just shake it out in the sink. But also what's really great is that you can see that it's very thin. It's purposefully thin in between so that it'll dry quickly. So the silver goes to work in the cloth, self-cleans the cloth, and you have a fresh cloth every time, not a fresh paper towel. This will clean stainless steel, tile, granite, glass, ceramic, quartz, wood. This is an awesome kitchen staple, right? So that's our kitchen cloth, but we also have kitchen towels. This kitchen towel rocks. Did you know we were drying our hands with paper towels? Crazy. I was a crazy woman about not using a towel more than once. I would dry dishes with a towel, it would go in the laundry. We'd wash our hands after dinner, it would go in the laundry. So much laundry all the time. Not anymore. So super absorbent, it's gonna dry your dishes so fast. Awesome. These two are kitchen staples. But, so I have a lot of clients that if you have one of those under the counter paper towel rolls, all I do is just throw this over that one. Done. And it's just water. You know, we were using paper towels to clean up like a spill on the floor, wipe up a counter. I was using paper towels to clean out spatter in my microwave, plus spraying all those chemicals and toxins also in an area that you prepare food in. I love it. These are must-haves. And wait for it, the best part about our kitchen cloth is it passes the chicken demo test. Okay, so now I'm going to test my kitchen cloth. So I'm going to take, again, some raw chicken. Put it across here. And take my food industry test swab. Test if there are any proteins present. And you can see immediately that it is purple and proteins are present. So, and it's becoming very dark purple. So I'm going to set that over here. So I'll take my kitchen cloth. My kitchen cloth also has the silver anti-bac in it to self-sanitize, self-purify. So I'll take this and go across my surface with it. And then I will test and see if there are any proteins. And you can see with just the kitchen cloth that I have a nice clean surface.